SEMrush is software that helps companies run digital marketing methods, like SEO campaigns. This all-in-one digital marketing program that helps you run SEO, pay-per-click, PPC, social media, and content marketing campaigns. For this video, we'll focus on using SEMrush for SEO. With SEMrush, you can identify trends that occur within your industry niche. It audits your on-page SEO and helps you improve your pages. This allows you to understand your page better and optimize it for SEO for better lead generation. What are SEMrush toolkits? SEMrush toolkits are a combination of different reports and tools that you can customize to help you understand your campaign better. When you use a toolkit, you have access to a variety of reports and tools. While you may not need every single one offered, you have the option to customize your toolkit to fit your business. How much does SEMrush cost? SEMrush offers 4 different plans. The cost is dependent upon the plan you choose and whether you want to use a monthly or yearly plan. You can start with a 14-day free trial to get a feel for SEMrush and then move on to a paid membership. Monthly memberships start from $99.95, while annual memberships start from $999.40.